In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access accessibility features. Then tap on one-handed mode and click on this switcher next to it to activate it. Following that, follow all of those instructions. If you are using Tricky's navigation, slide your finger across the button of your screen. If you are using gestures, you need to slide it as well, but hold it for like half a second. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, click on blank area. To change placement of it, just swipe in the opposite direction. Then go back the same way. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!